Hi Google, myself Hassan Zaib Jadoon, a student of computer systems engineering at UET Peshawar. Today I will let you know why I would be the perfect one to lead a Google developer student club at my university. Over the past year, I had privilege to work with one of the permanent developer group called Google Developer Group Peshawar. This thing like volunteer with Google Developer Group Peshawar, GDSC Peshawar, ignited my passion for technology and work on some of a community. Additionally, my roles as a campus ambassador of two, campus director of IIC, campus lead at coding protocol community, um, Microsoft Web Student Ambassador, as president of Literary and Debating Society, and blah 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 blah. All these things ignited my passion for community work and also provide me a valuable experiences in leadership and management. My technical expertise, including front and back end, also I'm interested in some fields which are some of future, like cloud, somehow cybersecurity and artificial intelligence, like in these sites. Somehow I'm also doing the job of research analyst and as a researcher. These both things, as a researcher and as a research analyst, improves my some of problem solving skills. As a Google developer student club lead, what is my vision? My vision is somehow is very simple: is to create a somehow learning environment where students can learn and collaborate. Um, a sort of like creating an inclusive learning some of thing. And that's enough. That's all from myself. Thank you so much for considering my application. I'm looking forward to seeing myself as a Google developer student club lead. Thank you.